Look at this photo. Chances are you've seen it. Billions of people have. For years, people thought it was a 3D render or heavily photoshopped, but it's 100% real. In 1996, a photographer named Charles O'Rear was driving to visit his girlfriend. He saw this perfect green hill in California. He pulled over, took out his film camera, and snapped one shot. A few years later, Microsoft saw it. They wanted it for Windows XP. They paid him so much money, the exact amount is still a secret. It was so expensive, FedEx refused to ship the original film. Microsoft had to buy him a plane ticket to deliver it by hand. Today, that same hill is a vineyard. The perfect green grass is gone, but inside our old computers, the sky is always blue. Did you ever change this wallpaper? Subscribe for more digital history.